Hi everyone, OpenClaw Blaster is world's first OpenClaw powered AI app that auto-grow blog posts, ads, images, UGC videos, email marketing, social campaigns, and many more things totally on hands-free mode. It saves you hours by automating the AI work that usually takes up your entire day to manually doing them. Today we're going to walk through each feature so you can see exactly how it works. Let's start with the blog post generator and how to set up automation mode. First, let's sign into OpenClaw Blaster to access our content generation suite. We'll navigate to the OpenClaw Blaster, your complete content generation engine. Here's the main dashboard where we can see all our content creation modules at a glance. Let's start with the blog post generator for consistent content creation. Watch how easily we can activate automation mode for hands-free content generation. We can instantly toggle automation on and off as needed. Back to automation mode, this ensures consistent content flow. We'll set it to generate 5 pieces of content per day for maximum productivity. We can easily select specific dates in February for our content schedule, and extend our schedule into March with just a few clicks. We'll set the preferred time to 11 p.m. for optimal publishing timing. The creativity level slider lets us fine-tune how innovative our content will be. Next, we'll customize the tone to match our brand. We select professional tone to ensure our content maintains the right business presence. We've successfully configured the automation settings for our blog post generator. Let's take a look at some blog posts that have already been created by the system. Let's explore the blog posts that have already been generated automatically by our active projects. Here we can view the content from our most recent project, Day 3's generated blog post. As we scroll through, you can see the full generated content with complete formatting and structure. Let's check out another piece of content from the same project. We can instantly access any individual content block within the same project. Let's examine Day 2's automatically generated blog content. Notice how each day's content maintains consistency while offering fresh, unique perspectives. Great. Let's also review our very first day's generated content. Here's Day 1. You can see how the Blaster kicked off this automated blog series. The content quality remains consistently high across all automatically generated posts. Excellent. This shows you how effortlessly you can review and manage all your automated blog content. We've seen the library of automatically generated blog posts. Now let's walk through creating a blog post on demand. Let's switch to manual mode to create a one-off blog post right now. We'll create a project focused on skincare content. We specify our exact topic, daily skincare routine awareness, to guide the AI generation. We can easily adjust the output length to match our content strategy needs. With one click, we initiate the AI-powered blog post generation. The OpenClaw Blaster processes our requirements and creates professional content in seconds. Our new skincare blog post is ready. Let's review the generated content. Here's our complete publication-ready blog post with engaging headlines, structured content, and actionable insights. Now let's move on to the Auto AI Add Creative Content Generator and examine its automation settings and active projects. Let's explore the Add Creative Content Generator by returning to our Blaster dashboard. Here we can see all our available content generation modules at a glance. Let's access the Add Creative Content Generator to see what advertising assets we can create automatically for days using AI. We can enable AI automation mode to have our ad creatives generated on a schedule. And here are all our active advertising projects, each one automatically producing fresh creative content. Let's move on to the Auto AI Product Image Generator to see how it handles visual content creation for days without working on them every day like we do manually in normal AI like Canva, Midjourney, Flux, etc. Let's head back to the main OpenClaw Blaster hub to explore another powerful content type. Here we can see all our available content generators at a glance. Let's dive into the Product Photo Generator to see how it creates stunning visuals for your business, automatically fresh every day. First, let's enable automation mode to see how this tool can work completely hands-free. We can browse through our active projects to see what's been automatically generated. Look at these beautiful product photos from our February campaign. We can instantly preview each one to see the quality and variety. As we scroll through, you'll notice there's an extensive library of generated content ready to use. Each image can be previewed instantly to ensure it meets your brand standards before deployment. If you do same work with any other AI, it will take you days to create that much of content. Now we'll move to the realistic visual generator, where we'll set up and initiate a new auto generation task. Let's jump back into the OpenClaw Blaster to explore visual content creation. Here we can see all our available content generators in one streamlined dashboard. We'll access the realistic visual generator to create stunning AI-powered imagery. First, let's set up our project with a simple title, Birdy Bird. We can describe exactly what we want to create, a strawberry intricately sculpted into the shape of a hummingbird in mid-flight. Let's choose our art style to match our vision ally. We'll select photographic for ultra-realistic results that look like professional photography. Here's where it gets powerful. We enable automation mode for continuous content generation that no AI in the world can do. We'll set it to generate 5 unique visuals per day automatically. With everything configured, we can start the generation process instantly. The AI immediately gets to work, and within seconds, our automated visual campaign is successfully launched. The generation task is now processing in the background. Let's check out the visuals that have already been completed. Our new bird project has completed processing and generated a stunning visual. We can instantly preview any generated image with a single click to see the full detail. Let's explore more of our generated content. Here we can browse through multiple Spider-Man variations, each offering unique creative interpretations. Let's head back to explore another powerful module in the OpenClaw Blaster. Now we'll look at the short-form videos that have been created with this tool automatically, so you do not have to use AI every day to generate fresh videos. Set up once and get fresh videos on your topic every day without doing anything. Let's navigate to OpenClaw Blaster to explore our video generation capabilities. We'll access the short-form video creator to see what content we've been producing. Here we can see our active projects list with all the videos that have been generated automatically. You can see AI doing things for you on autopilot. Let's preview this first video to see the quality of our automated content creation. And here's another example showing the variety in our generated video content. Now AI is working for you, not you are working for AI. This third video demonstrates how OpenClaw creates diverse, engaging short-form content consistently. We can scroll through to see even more videos that have been generated in our pipeline. You've now seen the library of videos already created by the system. Let's walk through the process of generating a new short-form video from scratch. Let's create a new video project called Car. We'll describe our vision, a creative scene where cars and cabs rise into the sky in New York City with a girl watching silently from behind. We'll enable automation mode to keep generating fresh content automatically for days, setting it to generate 1 new video per day for consistent content flow. Let's start the generation process. Success. The system has processed our request instantly. And here's our brand new car project with the generated video ready to view. Let's watch the final result. Our AI has transformed that creative concept into a compelling short-form video. You will now get fresh videos on this topic every day, so you can focus on posting them and getting results. Let's move on to the email series generator to review the campaigns it's created. Now, you don't have to go to ChatGPT every day to create emails for your business. Just set up once and AI will auto-grow your emails. Let's head back to the main Blaster menu to explore our final content type. We'll access the email series generator to see how OpenClaw Blaster handles automated email campaigns generation. Here's our active email campaign projects showing a complete series in progress. Let's check out today's email, day 7 of our automated sequence. Great content generated automatically for today's send that I had commanded this AI to 7 days ago. Let's view yesterday's email, day 6 of the series. Another crafted email, delivered right on schedule. And here's day 5 from February 24th, showing the consistent quality across the entire campaign. You can see how OpenClaw Blaster maintains engagement throughout your entire email sequence with zero manual intervention. And that wraps up our complete tour of OpenClaw Blaster's powerful content generation capabilities. OpenClaw Blaster AI auto-grow all your day-to-day content creation. Work like blog posts, product images, videos, and many more things while you sleep. Everything runs on autopilot so you can focus on other parts of your business. Just set up once and let AI do things for you every day. Get your copy of this next generation auto-grow AI today before price increases.